So I left a cookout last evening, and the food was fantastic. It just turned spring, and I stumbled across the Yoshi grill mat. This is a copper mat, and it says that its major benefit is that you can cook the food without the food sticking. It just allows you to cook and enjoy the food and avoid all the cleaning. Let's go over some of the features and benefits. Non-stick food slides right off, infused with real copper, as opposed to some of the other options for cooking utensils or cooking pots and pans. Not hot spot or flare-ups. PFOA free, can withstand heat up to 500 degrees, cuts easily to fit any size or shape. All three mats are 15.75 times 15 inches. Dishwasher safe or wipe clean, reusable, reversible. Clean in a snap, I like that. It's perfect for meats, of course, vegetables. Lila said she bought it, used it for steaks and dinner. It's amazing, best steak ever cooked. People use it for all kind of occasions, all kind of affairs. Someone used it in a baking pan. It's going for $19.99. I do not currently have one, but with spring just rolling in, it's likely that I will get one. I wanted to share this. In addition, for the three mats that you get for $20, you get two grill mats, one bake mat, and that's what we see there, where the cake is going into the pan, coming out of the pan. You get a grip and flip spatula. So, here are the offer details there. There is shipping and handling. I do not have this product yet, but I just wanted to share and bookmark it. It's probably something I will add. The last kitchen appliance I purchased, or kitchenware that I purchased, was an air fryer. And hopefully I'll feature that in a review soon. So this is the review of the best grill mat. Get yours while supplies last.